Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution. So today we are once again here next to my daughter's wonderful paintings, my 4-year-old daughter's wonderful paintings, and today I will be talking about a text spinning feature that was recently added to my plugins. So some of my plugins have been added the ability to use SpinnerChief to spin content that they import. This is a great update because SpinnerChief also allows spinning of different languages. So many of you guys have asked me if the spinners that my plugin supports can use actual other languages to process and rewrite other languages. So text in other languages can now be rewritten using my plugins if you use SpinnerChief as a content spinner. So after you select here SpinnerChief, you can select actually which language you will be using to spin, and you can select Arabic, Belarusian, Bulgarian, and many more languages from here, and the limit is the stars. So thank you for watching. This was a quick update about this new feature I rolled out recently, so you can spin now content in many languages. Go get it a try. Thank you for watching until the end. Have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.